Hey guys, so today we are going to the mall and we're going to a couple other stores like Michael's and we're going to be looking for Squishies. So yeah, we're going to be vlogging our day, and if we find any Squishies then we're going to be putting it in this video. So let's go. So we're at Walmart. We're going to be looking for soft and spice Squishies. We are in Walmart here. I found these Squish Delish. They have these here. So, but again, I do have some of these. So I'm not getting any of those. They have them. They only have two. They have this cake and this cake, which I already have both of them. But my friend might get this. So my friend is getting this soft and slow squishy. I already have this one, so we're gonna be twinning. And it's that cake. And then I'm gonna be getting one Squish Delish. I'm not sure. I think this one is the butter, so I can feel it. Maybe it's a sushi roll, I don't know. But I'm definitely going to get one. I'm only going to get one, but I don't know what these two are, so I'm going to have to try and figure it out. So again, my friend's getting this, and I'm getting this Squish Delish blind bag. I'm going to open it in the car and let you guys know what I get. Okay guys, so I have it here, but I'm going to open this. I'm not really sure what this is yet. Ooh, what is this? It's the cotton candy! I really wanted this one actually. Here's its little licensing. And it is slow rising, like all of Squish Delish. Squishies. So now we are heading into Michael's. We're gonna look and see if they have any soft and slow ones, and we're gonna see if they have any like Swishers and stuff like that. My friend might get some more. So that's where we're heading now. So we are here at Michael's, and we're gonna go in now and look for some Squishies. So we're looking at the like Halloween stuff. We're looking for any like Squishies. They're here. They have them. I want this really bad. I'm definitely gonna get one. These are $3. Oh, I saw these too, these little monster things. Oh, these are cool. They're different. Okay, I might be getting some. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. So it looks like they did restock quite a bit on Smishers, like a lot actually. And I do have like every one. These are the dollar ones, and then these are $2, and these are $3. The only ones that I don't have are these, but I don't want these. Okay, so I'm actually just gonna get this. So this one's like big, and then I'm gonna get the green because I really want it. So the other squishy that I'm gonna get, I'm getting 3. So these are $3 each, and this is 1. I don't have any footballs in packaging, so I'm getting that. Okay guys, so we're at my mall here, and our Target is right here, and we're going to go in, and we're just going to be shopping, and we're going to be squishy hunting as well in the stores, so yeah. So we are in Target, and we don't see any Squish Delicious, but yeah, we still have a squishy shop that we can go to in my mall, so we're going to be going there. Okay guys, so we're in the mall, and we are going to the squishy shop that is by us, like in our mall. So yeah, it's coming up right up here. Okay, so here's the store. It's right here. It is called Q Life. And then we're gonna go in. It has a bunch of like really neat stuff in here. It's really small also as well. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so I got 6 squishies in the store, and my friend got 2, right? She got 2, and we'll show you when we're in the car because we're actually not done shopping yet. So I'm going into Claire's to see if they have any Kawaii Squeezies or any other squishies. Oh my goodness, they have so many of these. I don't want any of these though. And this, they have the Series 3. So I'm gonna get one of these. So I'll show you guys this when I get back in the car. I'll see which one I got. So yeah. Okay guys, so we just got back in the car, and I'm gonna show you the squishies that we got here at the mall. So first I got the Kawaii Squeezy, and it is Series 3. And I do have some from Series 2, but this is the first one that I've ever gotten from Series 3, and the first one that I've ever seen. But I'm gonna try and open it. Okay, so here's the box, and I'm gonna try and open it. Really this. Oh my gosh, this is a little dog. It's super cute and it's really soft. And it's slow rising. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. It's really soft. It's a lot softer than the other kawaii squeezies. So this is the Kawaii Squeezie Series 3 that I got. Okay, so here's the bag from the shop that I got stuff at. And I got 6 Squishies for $20. It was about $20. It was a really good deal. So I'm going to show you all the ones. Here's a sneak peek. So, the lady that works there, she actually was telling us about this. And she said that it was 3 for $10. So I got these 3 medium panda buns, and I do have the one with the red bow, so I have every single one now. And so this is just the one, the plain one, and this was the only one that didn't, like the boy panda, this is the only one that I saw. Really surprising. Then I got the one with the tongue sticking out. I really wanted this one. This one again is really slow rising. And the last one that I got for this deal was the one with the pink bow. And again, it's really slow rising. Then the next deal was 2 for $5. And I got 2 mini panda buns. I got the one with the red bow. And the boy. And then the last squishy that I got was this mini cake, and this is really, really cute. And again, it's slow rising. So yeah, so those are all the squishies that I got. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe. Bye guys!